it has been a while again. My channel actually got demonetized because of inactivity. I haven't been posting much at all, so welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Here in Oregon it's quite rainy. I have 2 days off, so I'm taking the chance to film something. And my background is crooked, but let's look past that. Today's video is a collaboration with a new company that reached out to me and asked if we could collaborate. The name of the company is Talisa Jewelry. Talisa with love. That's their website over there, talisa.com. I want to highlight a few things about this company. In summary, Talisa Box is a personalized jewelry subscription service. It features a try-at-home experience, so they send you, let's say, 3 pieces a month and you get to try them, but you can return if you don't like any of the pieces that you get. The box will contain maybe 3 something pieces of jewelry. The style that you'll be given will be based on the quiz that you will take. Once you receive the box, you have 7 days to try. If you don't like any of them, or if you decide to keep any of them, then that's when you'll be charged. Each item would range from $49 or about $50 to $150. You only get billed if you decide to keep any of the items that you receive. There's a $20 styling fee. It will cover the preparation, the shipping, and all that stuff. But also that $20 will be applied to any of the items that you keep. You complete your styling quiz. That's how you start. And then scheduling the. Also, one of the things that I want to highlight is the ability to personalize your jewelry. Like, there are things that they're engraving. Also, you can put names, or make a pendant with a name, or a bracelet with a name, all that. And the easy return is also very good. In the box, you will actually get a return label, so it won't be a big hassle for you if you don't like any of the products. I want to present to you the box. Of course, you probably already know I have already unboxed. I have opened the box, worn the pieces, and I just want to give you a proper unboxing. So I'm going to unbox it. For some reason, I thought that when you get the box, you get to see the pieces, but then you can't really wear them. But what it says here, you can actually wear them. You got 7 days if you have an occasion, like something. Wear it to church or whatever, show it around. If people are like complimenting you, oh, that piece is so nice on you, then keep it. What's not to love? Right, so what's inside the box? You get this, and you get the envelope with the return label and a note in it. I actually really like that. They actually write, that's handwritten. Remember, you have 7 days to either keep it or send it back. Support a number, that's really nice. They make it easy for you to contact them in case you have a problem or whatever. Like, you don't have to hunt for the customer service. Shipping label. I love the packaging, by the way. Talisa, oh, so pretty. I love this so much. Ta-da! That's a peridot, and then just the clear white, and this one is peridot too. I'm gonna try it on. They asked me like the size of my wrist, and I just said it's not big, it's not small. And sure enough, they gave me the right size. I put the nails on for you guys. It's a glue on, but I can't do anything. I can't, oh my gosh, I can't even put jewelry on. How do you function with nails? I don't get it. I'm gonna put it on later. 5 hours later. Alright, that's how it looks. It's dainty, it's beautiful. This looks like stainless steel type of jewelry, like the ones that don't tarnish. I like those a lot, by the way. And then this next one, this is a little one. Of course I've worn this, but I put them inside the box again to give you a proper unboxing because I'm nice like that. So it comes in this little lacy backy or net, whatever. I actually feel like I have vertigo when I go like this. Everything starts spinning when I go like this, but I recover when I go in the middle. For some reason it's so weird. But anyways, that's how it looks. It's pretty. It's so sparkly, actually. I love that. I guess if you order something like this, it's just not returnable. Especially if your name is not common, like my name, Gigi. How do you return it? What are the odds that there is someone subscribed to them with the same name? So this one is my name without an E. For some reason they forgot the E, but I answered to whatever. And it's a box chain. I like. It's probably my favorite type of chain, the box chain. So that's how it looks. It's pretty. If you ask me if I'm keeping all of these, probably. Yeah, so the quality is really good. No itching around the neck and is not tarnished, and they look pretty. It looks real, actually. I love this one a lot, and this one too, and this one too. So I love all the stuff that I got, so I do recommend it. I will leave the link to their website, to their subscription box in the description. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Talisa Jewelry, for sending me the box. I thoroughly have enjoyed them. I love the necklace especially. And yeah, I look forward to another collaboration with you. And guys, go check them out. The website is in the description. And I'll see you in my next video.